So you might be in a situation where for some reason your location sharing isn't working on your iPhone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main thing you want to keep your eye out for is to go through and make sure you even have your location sharing you even on in the first place. So make your way over to your iPhone settings, scroll down until you find this little option that says something like privacy and security. Then at the very top, you're going to see this location services option. Just go through, tap on it, and at the very top, you want to go through and make sure your location services are enabled. That's going to be the easiest main thing you can do. And that's pretty much the first best starting point I'd recommend kind of going down. So that's the first starting point. Now, beyond that, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and make sure you have enough signal on your device as well. So go through and make sure you have your Wi-Fi connection on, your cell connection on. That's another big thing. Sometimes if you have your Wi-Fi and cell connection off, that can also cause some problems here. So just go through, make sure your Wi-Fi, cell connection are on. That's another big thing. You can also try restarting your phone. So try going through restarting your device. That could be another easy thing you can do as well. And if none of those things are working, you can try going down into your general settings of your iPhone right here, going down to software update, and just going through and software updating your iPhone. That's another easy thing you can do there as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.